Hello, how are you? Listen, today we're gonna make a beautiful chicken curry. Skin on, bone in curry, really delicious. So we're gonna start off, well, I'm gonna be starting off with some coconut oil. You can change it if you want. Now this is quite a large size, so I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. We're on an above medium heat, and I'm dropping in there 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, along with some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. Give them a little stir around, let them do their thing. We're now gonna add 2 cups of onion. You can see that I've cut my onion really quite small. So a nice vibrant heat. We're going to give that a stir around for about 4 minutes. Next up, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. Next up, a little bit of salt to taste. And then we're going to go for another 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. So chicken time. So here we go. I've got 2 1 kg chickens here, just over 4 pounds of chicken. Skin on, bone in, cut it into kind of, fairly, decent sized pieces. We're going to throw this around in the pan, again stirring fairly often for about 8 minutes. Looking absolutely beautiful. Let's move on. 3 cups here of tomato. Now I'm using a nice juicy ripe tomato, cut it really small. Let's look at some spices. 2 teaspoons coriander, 2 of cumin, 2 teaspoons turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder if you're interested. I'm also going to add quite a lot of pepper to this one. Black pepper, 2 teaspoons. Now we need to cook this for maybe like 8 or 9 minutes. We want it to really cook down, the tomatoes to cook really well. I also added fresh chili to taste. The amount is entirely up to you. Now if you've used a nice juicy tomato like me, you're going to get some form of liquid from them. If not, you can add a little bit of liquid. So as you can see, plenty of moisture and liquid have come from my juicy tomatoes. Really nearly done now. 1 cup of coconut milk. Give that a little stir. Now we're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but above a simmer, and I'm going to let that go now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. It is absolutely delicious. Check the salt level, it's absolutely fine for me. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Now, if you enjoy what you're seeing here, please do take time to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really does help the channel. See you later.